EHang 216. Designed by the Chinese manufacturer EHang, the EHang 216 is a two-seater autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that is also referred to as the EH216S. Urban air mobility is the focus of this pilotless passenger-carrying unmanned aerial vehicle system, which demonstrates cutting-edge technology. The pricing of the EH216S is $410,000 for markets across the world that are not located in China. The suggested retail price in China is 2.39 million yuan, which is equivalent to around $338,000 in American currency. The EHang EH216S is priced strategically to effectively penetrate the market, and it provides an option that is priced more affordably in comparison to the ideas that were made earlier. This pricing reflects EHang's intention to make autonomous aerial transport more affordable and realistic, hence advancing the likelihood that electric vertical takeoff and landing technology will be commercially possible. Atlas Boston Dynamics. Among Boston Dynamics' most notable creations is Atlas, a sophisticated humanoid robot renowned for its nimbleness and adaptability. Its sporting intelligence and real-time perception are the building blocks of its multi-function design for use in the real world. Through the use of depth sensors and a sophisticated control system, Atlas is able to swiftly and gracefully traverse complicated landscapes. The robot is 89 kilograms heavy and 1.5 meter tall, with a titanium and aluminum frame that gives it the best strength-to-weight ratio possible. Its small hydraulic system and bespoke battery allow it to do amazing things, like leaping and somersaulting. Atlas is not for sale, but it does provide a platform for researchers to test the limits of robotics. The quadruped robot Spot, made by Boston Dynamics, however, is priced at $74,500. You can tell their robotics technology is top-notch because of this. Voixatch Smartwatch. An outstanding new product, the Voixatch smartwatch combines a smartwatch's useful features with those of a smartphone. Designed to keep you connected without the need of your phone, it is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset. With its 1.3-inch AMOLED display and ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, this wearable device guarantees fluid performance and vibrant images. The innovative bezel-mounted Bluetooth earpiece is the focal point of the Voixatch's revolutionary all-in-one design. The bezel detaches with a twist and raise, making it easy to wear in your ear. The 530 mAh battery provides 3 hours of call time, so that you're always prepared for your next call. The smartwatch charges the headset. Voixatch is all about personalization. You may change the bezels to 4 different colors to find the one that suits you best. Kickstarter backers may purchase it for as little as $179. Gyroscopic Transport. In his vision for the future of urban transportation, Gyroscopic Transport, Dahir Insat aims to completely alter the way people navigate through cities. These solar-powered, disc-shaped cars use flywheels to float above traffic on stilts. Their multi-tiered transportation system has the ability to lessen pollution and traffic jams. Travelers can anticipate either cramped, subway-style seats or plush pods outfitted with sofas and televisions. Although the specific cost has not been made public, the idea's positive effects on the economy and the environment indicate that it may prove to be an economical choice for urban areas in the future. The design prioritizes user comfort and integration with urban settings, with the possibility of working in tandem with pedestrian spaces. This groundbreaking form of transportation is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize urban transportation in a sustainable and efficient way. SkySurfer Aircraft, an engineering marvel. The SkySurfer Aircraft shows how personal transportation may look in the future. Featuring an exceptional blend of small size, power, and efficiency, this individual-use, all-electric VTL aircraft is built for takeoff and landing. When folded, the SkySurfer may be as small as a piece of luggage, giving riders unrivaled portability. Hunter Cowell's SkySurfer has piqued the interest of both aviation fans and those looking to invest in the industry. A recent Kickstarter campaign raised more than $35,000 from 38 backers, demonstrating the strong level of interest in this groundbreaking flying vehicle and beyond the initial goal. For individuals seeking to soar above traffic and embrace the skies, the SkySurfer is an accessible choice with pricing starting at roughly $20,000. The use of carbon fiber and other industrial-grade elements in its construction guarantees long life. Shane Car. An innovative electric vehicle concept, the Shane automobile was unveiled by Shane Chen, the man responsible for creating the first hoverboard. The innovative design of this two-wheeled electric vehicle, which can balance like a hoverboard and accommodates 5 adults in comfort, is set to transform urban transportation. As soon as Shane is in motion, its futuristic roller coaster-like interior comes to life, and its wheels self-align to keep you steady and safe, just like a 4-wheel drive. To reduce rolling resistance, Shane's revolutionary design incorporates big wheels and regenerative shocks, which harness the energy from damping and transfer it to a battery. Because of the two-wheel differential speed control, maneuverability is excellent, and parking and maneuvering confined areas are a snap. Moreover, solar panel technology seems to be integrated into the roof. However, this has not been formally confirmed. MG Maze Concept Car. To appeal to the motorists of the future, MG created the Maze Concept Car, a futuristic take on city transportation. It combines the worlds of mobility and gaming in a whimsical way. It's a little two-seater that's ideal for urban environments. Showcasing the internal mechanisms and adding to its dynamic look, the exterior sports a transparent shell reminiscent of high-end gaming PCs. Rather than using a conventional steering wheel, passengers can interact with the vehicle using their smartphones on board, thanks to cutting-edge UX/UI technology and floating seats. As a concept vehicle, the MG Maze tests out many ideas for where automotive technology and design could go in the future. There is no market value for it because it is not for sale. When it comes to innovation in design and technology, concept automobiles like the MG Maze are priceless. They frequently impact the creation of subsequent production versions. Forward CarePod. A groundbreaking new way to get medical treatment is available with the Forward CarePod TM, the first AI doctor's office that combines AI with human doctors and other medical professionals. These AI-enabled pods allow users to take charge of their health journey with a fully immersive experience. As soon as a user steps foot in a CarePod, they'll have access to a suite of health apps that can diagnose and treat a variety of conditions, as well as monitor vital signs and conduct blood tests. With ambitious expansion plans for 2024, CarePods can be seen in many public places, including malls, gyms, and businesses. Their statewide launch is just around the corner, with stops in big cities including Philadelphia, Chicago, San Francisco, and New York City. You may have access to these cutting-edge diagnostic tools and personalized health plans whenever you need them for as little as $99 a month. Cryptide Sneaker. An example of cutting-edge design and 3D printing technology is the Cryptide Sneaker. The German designer Stefan Henrich came up with the idea for these shoes after fabled cryptids, such as Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. The sneaker's one-of-a-kind open-toe sole is made to produce unusual cryptid-like prints. The Sintratec S2 system is ideal for laser sintering this product because of the flexible TPE material used in its construction. The Cryptide is more than simply footwear. It makes a bold statement. The shoe strikes a good mix between flexibility and structural integrity, thanks to its varied wall thickness throughout, and its ergonomic design guarantees comfort. Although it is a technological marvel, the Cryptide sneaker has proven to be just as evasive as the animals it attempts to mimic, because of the lack of transparency surrounding the Cryptide sneaker's price. Plana eVTOL Aircraft. A South Korean firm called Plana Aero is working on a CP-01, a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing plane. They hope to make regional air travel more accessible with their hybrid air taxi, which has an impressive range of up to 500 kilometers and is priced affordably. This will revolutionize urban air mobility. When compared to completely electric vehicles, Plana's hybrid propulsion system improves fuel economy and increases range. If all goes according to plan, the business will supply SkyTaxi with 10 CP01 planes by 2030 and another 40 by 2040. It is said that Plana is trying to make it cost-effective by scaling manufacturing in an effort to bring the price down to $3.5 million. However, the precise current pricing is not disclosed. Plana is aiming high with its ambitious objectives, which include creating full-scale prototypes and achieving mass manufacturing with the help of substantial fundraising. Flying Train Dahir Insat. The Flying Train by Dahir Insat is a concept for transportation that was conceived by the Russian engineering company Dahir Insat. It is a futuristic transportation system. This cutting-edge system combines elements of conventional rail travel with cutting-edge technology, and it is comprised of train-like pods that are suspended from above lines. Although the pods are meant to move at high speeds, they offer an alternative that is both quick and efficient in comparison to traditional trains and urban transportation. As a result of its electric propulsion, the system claims to minimize the amount of traffic congestion and provide benefits to the environment. Additionally, the elevated rails allow for minimal interruption to the infrastructure that is already in place, which makes it a solution that is both adaptive and scalable for contemporary urban landscape developments. SkyWay technology advantages. SkyWay technology presents numerous advantages, particularly its cost-effectiveness. One of the primary benefits is its considerably lower construction cost compared to traditional and advanced transit systems. For example, SkyWay integrates innovative transport infrastructure at a fraction of the cost associated with more conventional systems. This involves significantly lower requirements for steel and reinforced concrete, optimizing material use while maintaining structural integrity. In terms of transportation costs, SkyWay boasts significantly lower figures when compared to rail, automobile, and magnetic suspension trains, achieving up to an 1,800% cost reduction over traditional monorail systems. The total estimated cost for projects like SkyWay is around $300 million, exemplified by a specific project mentioned in the Miami Herald. Additionally, SkyWay's implementation requires minimal leveling or mountain drilling. Virgin Hyperloop. By rapidly pushing passenger or freight pods via near-vacuum tubes, Virgin Hyperloop intends to transform transportation. By combining electric power with magnetic levitation, these pods have the ability to travel at speeds of up to 670 miles per hour, drastically cutting down on travel time between cities. The goal of Virgin Hyperloop is to reduce the normally 6-hour drive time between San Francisco and Los Angeles to 30 minutes. The business's ultimate goal is to create a safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation option that significantly reduces travel time and pollution. As the system is still in the planning phase, actual passenger pricing is not yet available. However, estimations indicate that it might be priced competitively with current airfare and high-speed rail options. Regulatory clearances and the effective deployment of the technology are prerequisites for the anticipated launch of passenger services in the 2030s. Jetpacks Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is an engineering marvel that has the potential to transform the way people travel. It is the first flying motorcycle in the world. This motorcycle-shaped future vehicle can reach incredible speeds thanks to its 8 little jet engines. With a size-to-payload ratio of outstanding proportions, the Speeder can transport 600 pounds of cargo despite weighing only about 300 pounds. The Speeder is currently in the testing phase and is expected to receive FAA certification soon. It is not merely an idea, but a fully functional prototype. Its capabilities are absolutely mind-blowing. It can cruise at 60 miles per hour for almost 30 minutes, and a military-grade unmanned version can achieve speeds of 400 miles per hour at 100 feet in the air, practically protecting it from ground fire. This remarkable vehicle, which has an initial price tag of $381,000, is now available for pre-order through Jetpack Aviation. Renault Float. An innovative concept car that blends cutting-edge technology with a future design, the Renault Float in motion is a vehicle that mixes the two technologies. Due to the fact that it has a distinctive spherical shape, it is able to move in any direction without any difficulty. The outside of the car is constructed out of a material that is translucent and has the ability to change color and transparency, which provides an appearance that is both dynamic and adaptable. On the inside, it features a roomy cabin that can be customized to your preferences with an emphasis on comfort and connectivity. Float in Motion is a vehicle that is built for autonomous driving and is outfitted with cutting-edge sensors and artificial intelligence to provide a ride that is both safe and efficient. It exemplifies Renault's vision for the future of urban mobility, which places an emphasis on user experience, flexibility, and environmental responsibility. Deep Sentinel System. A groundbreaking undersea habitat, the Deep Sentinel system intends to transform submerged life and scientific inquiry. The Sentinel, a modular underwater home, is scheduled to welcome visitors by the year 2027. Scientists can stay at depths of up to 200 meters for up to 28 days, giving them unequaled access to the ocean floor for thorough research. Thanks to its versatile design, Sentinel can accommodate missions ranging from a few weeks to a few months or even longer. Its power systems will prioritize sustainability by utilizing microgrid architecture in conjunction with renewable energy sources. To prepare specialized divers to manage and care for the habitat, Deep has also set up an institute. There is no word on how much the Deep Sentinel system will cost, but it appears to be a substantial expenditure on maritime technology and undersea exploration, given its emphasis on sustainability, safety, and sophisticated research capabilities. BioLeg. Company Bionic EM of Tokyo created the innovative BioLeg electric leg prosthetic. Designed to help amputees walk, stand, and sit more fluidly, with improved stability and less cognitive strain, it also reduces tiredness. And revolutionary prosthesis, this one weighs in at around 6 pounds and has a battery life that keeps going all day. The breakthrough feature of the BioLeg is its ability to enhance the user's mobility experience through the integration of artificial intelligence and motor power. The FDA has granted the device Class 2 exemption, which means it will be able to enter the US market much faster than expected, with a launch scheduled for late 2024. Regarding pricing, advanced bionic prosthetics in Japan can cost over $80,000, while the BioLeg is anticipated to retail for about 1/3 of that amount. Though it's still a substantial investment, this makes it more affordable. Kiteboat SP80. A revolutionary kiteboat, the SP80 aims to shatter the record for world sailing speed. The SP80 is an ambitious record breaker that was dreamed up by a group of enthusiastic engineers and students at Switzerland's prestigious ETH Lausanne campus. Its target speed is 150 km per hour. The 2018 initiative was launched by Xavier Leperc, Benoit Godiot, and Mayol van den Broek, and brings together cutting-edge engineering with the excitement of kitesurfing and sailing. In order to withstand the tremendous loads at high speeds, the SP80 takes design cues from motorboats and uses heavier materials and structures. The team's dedication to innovation is evident in their unique foil design, which is crucial for breaking through the 100 km per hour barrier. While the exact price of the SP80 is not publicly disclosed, the project has attracted significant capital injections, highlighting its potential to influence wind sports and maritime technology. AIRPOD Smart Napping Pod. One innovative public space relaxing option is the AIRPOD Smart Napping Pod, which provides a quiet haven where people can relax, rejuvenate, and refuel. It's the first smart napping pod ever made, and it has a state-of-the-art zero-gravity seat that makes you feel weightless, which decreases stress and increases comfort. The sleek and modern pod has all the features you need, including smart functionality and ample privacy. The AIRPOD will first be installed in large international airports, but it will eventually grow to encompass other public spaces, such as bus and train terminals, college campuses, and city centers. While the search results do not reveal exact pricing information, the AIRPOD is marketed as a high-end feature for public areas due to its creative design and revolutionary functionality. Those interested can get in touch with the provider directly for definitive price quotes. CarePod. Every day, the CarePod is capable of producing up to 10 liters of alkaline water, making it a luxurious air-to-water dispenser. In order to function, it first utilizes desiccant technology to remove moisture from the air, and then it purifies the water by adding minerals to it. This compact device features a straightforward mechanism that can be plugged in, and it provides water that has a pH value of over 9.2, making it one of the most beneficial alkaline waters that are now accessible. In addition to being able to offer mineral-rich water without the noise and energy consumption that are typical of systems that are dependent on refrigerants, CarePod has been recognized as a best invention by Time magazine. Not only does its design, which is made of stainless steel, contribute to its visual appeal, but it also contributes to its usefulness by subtly collecting moisture in order to generate water that is alkaline. Ascento Guard. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot known as Ascento Guard is set to shake up the security sector. Ascento Robotics, the company behind it, just secured $4.3 million to use AI and robotics to improve security operations. Designed specifically for use on outdoor patrols, the Ascento Guard can handle a wide variety of terrains with ease and speed. Among its many high-tech features are thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras. It also has the ability to charge itself, and its battery life is more than 4 hours. Without human involvement, the robot can continue operating continuously because to its all-weather capability and safe walking pace. With Ascento's robotics as a service offering, businesses can rent the cutting-edge Ascento Guard for as little as an hour, cutting expenses right away. With its reasonable pricing, Ascento Guard is within reach of companies looking to beef up their security. ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga. A game-changer in the 3D printing business, the ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga boasts an enormous build volume of 800mm by 800mm by 1000mm and is poised to produce widespread disruption. For individuals who aren't afraid to dream big, it provides a solution, printing massive models without slicing them into tiny pieces. With its multi-nozzle printing feature, this industrial-grade FDM printer can run up to 4 nozzles at once, maximizing output. Its 64-bit quad-core CPU and rapid printing speed, up to 300mm per second, make it 6 times faster than its rivals. The effective heated bed gets up to 90 degrees in only 17 minutes, and the strong cooling fans guarantee excellent outcomes. At its anticipated retail price of approximately $2,500, it will be within reach of both serious hobbyists and small enterprises, despite having been introduced at an early bird pricing of $1,250. Go2 Pi Robotic Dog. The Go2 is an innovative robotic canine that runs on a Raspberry Pi CM4. Being the first desktop-level robotic dog with an arm, it is sure to be a conversation starter and a treasure trove of tech memorabilia for any tech aficionado. To better resemble a genuine dog, this robotic companion has a 6 IMU system for increased flexibility and 12 degrees of freedom for omnidirectional movement. Equipped with sophisticated AI modules, it can hear, identify, and react to users. Even anyone without any experience can pick up and use the Go2 right away because to its intuitive design, one-button interface, and proprietary software. At $449 for the most basic model, it is positioned as an accessible gateway to autonomous robotic technology. Other variants of the Go2 are the Mini and Lite, which are priced at $749 and $449, respectively, with expected retail pricing of $1,398 and $898. Kelekona Aircraft. An innovative category of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that is specifically suited for public transportation is being developed by Kelekona, a startup company based in New York City. The airplane, which is frequently referred to as a drone bus, has the capacity to transport 40 passengers in addition to the pilot, or even 10,000 pounds of goods. The 8 thrust vectoring fans and variable pitch propellers that it possesses allow it to optimize each stage of flight for maximum efficiency and performance. The first route that Kelekona intends to operate is going to consist of a trip from Manhattan to the Hamptons. The journey will take around 30 minutes and will cost $85 per person. Even as the technology continues to progress, future paths are still being considered. Battery capacity will account for an astounding 80% of the vehicle's overall weight, which is more than 13,600 kilograms. AVANT Solo Electric Sport Car. One-seater urban mobility is personified by the AVANT Solo Electric Sport Car. Designed with an eye toward making an electric sports car's cabin more interesting and entertaining, the project began in 2020 as a partnership with Coventry University. For the lone traveler seeking an unforgettable experience apart from the typical internal combustion engine vehicle, this electric marvel provides all the power you need without the vibration and noise. Thanks to its small size and nimble handling, it can zoom through city streets. The AVANT Solo's electric engine produces 56 horsepower, allowing it to attain a maximum speed of 129 kilometers per hour. On a single charge, the 17.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack guarantees a range of up to 160 kilometers. At a starting price of $18,500, this revolutionary electric sport automobile is affordable for eco-conscious individuals who want to make a statement. Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition. Superior safety and performance are hallmarks of the Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition, an opulent and sturdy SUV. At around $285,000, this vehicle is equipped with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that generates 707 horsepower. The exterior is fortified with bulletproof armor, ballistic glass, and reinforced body panels, which are of military standard and offer superior protection. The Vengeance is ready for anything with its electrified door handles, thermal night vision system, smokescreen, and bomb protection. Thanks to its upgraded suspension and run-flat tires, it can handle off-road terrains beautifully. With its plush leather upholstery, state-of-the-art entertainment system, and roomy interior, this vehicle is the epitome of luxury. A 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning are just a few of the driver assist technologies included in this technologically advanced vehicle. Unitree Go2. One example of state-of-the-art embodied AI is the Unitree Go2, a quadrupedal robot. With Unitree's own 4D LiDAR L11 technology, the Go2 is an interactive and versatile device with a price tag of $1,600. Because of this technology's 360-degree by 90-degree hemispherical ultra-wide recognition, the robot can easily traverse complicated terrains. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 4G, so you can use the app to send high-definition images and control the device from a distance. Go2 tasks are efficiently handled by its ultra-long battery endurance of about 2 to 4 hours. Its Intelligent Side Follow System, ISS 2.0, makes it better at following and interacting with humans. Online software updates can also be applied to the Go2. Impressive in its own right, this smart bionic robot represents the cutting edge of personal robotics and the potential of artificial intelligence as a companion. Toyota Concept One. A bold step toward the future of transportation, the Toyota Concept One exemplifies Toyota's dedication to creating vehicles that are more than simply tools, they're allies. At the 2017 International Consumer Electronics Show, Toyota unveiled the Concept Y series, which is an investigation of driver assist vehicles that use advanced AI to learn and adapt to their drivers. The Toyota Concept E, whose pricing is still a mystery, is a concept car that represents the automaker's vision of freedom and joy of mobility for all people, including the elderly and those with physical limitations. The capacity to learn from the driver's choices and emotions, protect using AI and automated driving technologies, and inspire new driving experiences by anticipating the driver's sensations is the basis of the Concept Y series. Here we may see a small part of the future when transportation is easy and natural. ZipCharge Go. To facilitate easier and more widespread use of charging for electric vehicles, ZipCharge developed the groundbreaking ZipCharge Go portable EV charger. It's like a portable power bank for your electric vehicle. You can charge it wherever you happen to be. This lightweight gadget has a retractable handle for portability and is small enough to fit in your car's trunk. Any electric or plug-in hybrid vehicle with a Type 2 socket can use it. You can have your daily necessities and the typical commute covered with the Go's electric vehicle range of 20 to 40 miles. Aiming to democratize EV charging, the ZipCharge Go is built for affordability and simplicity, enabling users to charge their vehicles wherever they've parked. For individuals who do not have access to home charging facilities, the ZipCharge Go offers an economical choice at a price point of roughly $2,000, which is comparable to a fully fitted home charger. Star Raker. In 1979, Rockwell International began developing the Star Raker, a spaceship that would carry heavy payload and go from stage 1 to orbit. Using a combination of ramjets and rockets, this remarkable winged orbital launch vehicle was engineered to land horizontally and take off horizontally. The Star Raker was an ambitious spacecraft that hoped to drastically cut the anticipated $22 to $33 cost per kilogram of payload to orbit in 1978, hence reshaping the space transportation industry. The intricate design, which had 225 pieces, had proportions of 22 by 66 meters and had the potential to be cost-efficient. The Star Raker had a useful purpose as a spacecraft, but it also served as the basis for many fictional representations and replicas. The Star Raker is an important character in stories about space travel, both real and imagined, because of its ingenious aircraft engineering and its cultural impact. FIXAR 025. Innovative, fully electric, and autonomous, the FIXAR 025 is perfect for commercial and industrial uses, requiring a vast area of coverage and a long range. Mapping, inspections, aerial imaging, remote sensing, monitoring, and surveillance are just a few of the many uses for this multi-purpose eVTOL aircraft. It has a maximum payload capacity of 10 kilograms, a maximum flying distance of 300 kilometers, a cruise speed of 85 kilometers per hour, and a maximum flight range of 150 kilometers. The maximum flying time for the FIXAR 025 is 3.5 hours, and it can reach altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. It is powered by lithium polymer batteries and has a full-body lift design for efficient resource usage and endurance. Not only is the drone compatible with AI and LTE, but it also offers integration with a variety of professional payload modules. A spokesman has said that comparable models start at about $20,000, although the actual pricing is not disclosed. GFG Style Kangaroo. With regard to the realm of electric cars, the GFG Style Kangaroo is an innovative and groundbreaking concept. This electric hyper SUV has 2 seats and is equipped with 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering, making it capable of traversing any terrain. In addition to providing a thrilling driving experience, the Kangaroo delivers a powerful punch with its remarkable 483 horsepower. The renowned Italian designer, Giorgetto Giugiaro, and his son Fabrizio came up with the idea for the Kangaroo, which is a demonstration of their forward-thinking approach to design. Not only does this automobile take into consideration its performance and design, but it also prioritizes exclusivity. Because of its staggering price tag of $3 million, the GFG Style Kangaroo is considered a luxury item that only a select few people can afford to own. In a nutshell, the GFG Style Kangaroo is a hyper SUV of the future because it combines style. Rotor R550X. An advanced, multi-mission unmanned helicopter with several potential uses is the Rotor R550X. Constructed on the sturdy Robinson R44 chassis, it has a sea-level useful load capacity of 550 kilograms, which makes it perfect for heavy lift operations in any weather, even low-light situations. and with restricted vision. The R550X was driven by Cloud Pilot, a human-supervised autonomy technology developed by Rotor, and it had complete fly-by-wire controls and could land automatically. Impressively, it delivers class-leading performance with a top speed of 201 km per hour and a range of up to 15+ hours on full tank. Although Rotor Technologies has not revealed any pricing specifics, they do expect deliveries and commercial operations to begin in 2024. Light aircraft stands to benefit greatly from this state-of-the-art technology, which has the potential to greatly improve both safety and operating efficiency. NASA's Capstone. The small CubeSat mission called Capstone, which stands for Cislunar Autonomous Positioning System Technology Operations and Navigation Experiment, is launched by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration to verify and assess navigation systems and lunar orbit dynamics that are vital to the Artemis program. Approximately $30 million was spent on developing the Capstone spacecraft, which is roughly the size of a microwave oven. The mission's development cost $13.7 million, with an extra $9.95 million going toward the launch. Rocket Lab's new launch pad in Virginia allowed the mission to take off thanks to the launch contract that NASA granted to the company. Both NASA and taxpayers have benefited from the mission's use of fixed-cost contracts, which have effectively reduced costs. For the Lunar Gateway and subsequent trips to the Moon, the Capstone mission will serve as a demonstration of a precise Hydrogen Hyperion XP1. And technical marvel, the Hydrogen Hyperion XP1 is a hypercar that advocates for a more sustainable future while simultaneously breaking new ground in terms of speed. An impressive 0 to 60 time of 2.2 seconds and a top speed of 221 miles per hour make the XP1 a prime example of the possibilities offered by hydrogen power. Its propulsion system is an assertion about the potential of hydrogen as an environmentally friendly energy source for the automobile sector, and not only because of its raw speed. A carbon titanium monocoque chassis and an aerodynamic, streamlined profile give the XP1 an aesthetic and practical edge. A high-voltage fuel cell and axial flux motors enable this vehicle to do more than simply drive. It can also glide. This new technology, however, is not without cost. A limited edition masterpiece, the Hyperion XP1 costs almost $2 million. It's more than just a vehicle. It represents transportation's past and its potential future. ARC Aerosystems ARC P9. An innovative hybrid electric VTOL aircraft with 9 seats, the ARC Aerosystems Lynx P9 is a state-of-the-art aeroplane. Additionally, it possesses the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft, in addition to the mobility of a helicopter. In order to improve both its safety and its efficiency, the Lynx P9 is equipped with twin engines and a lightweight, full composite platform. The maximum range of this vehicle is 1,400 kilometers, and it has a cruise speed of 300 kilometers per hour. This makes the aircraft an excellent choice for urban air mobility and regional air transport, because it is able to take off and land in limited locations. In comparison to conventional helicopters, this approach is more cost-effective because the operational cost is around $505 per flight hour. The Lynx P9 is supposed to be 40% more cost-efficient than its predecessor, and it provides an increased level of safety by virtue of its auto-rotation capabilities in the event that power is lost. Pivotal Blackfly. One fixed-wing aircraft that Pivotal has developed on its third-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing platform is the Blackfly. When landing or taking off vertically, the whole plane tilts, not only the wing sections or rotors, which are responsible for reorienting the thrust. Through the elimination of redundant parts, this design simplifies and lightens the load. Missions such as special operations, surveillance and disaster, and emergency response are suited for the Blackfly. It provides the utmost in flying pleasure, while also ensuring your safety and comfort. All aspects of the product life cycle, including development, instruction for pilots, reporting of flights based on data, and technical support, influence safety. For the time being, the United States Air Force is testing the Blackfly. To purchase a Pivotal Blackfly, prices begin at $190,000. Lift Aircraft. An innovative personal aviation company, Lift Aircraft provides thrilling vertical flight experiences for those who do not possess a pilot's license. While they do sell the Hexa, a personal electric multi-rotor aircraft, Lift is more known for offering introductory flights. The Hexa's 18 separate rotors provide stability and security, while its design prioritizes ease of use. If you're interested in taking to the skies, Lift has flight sessions available for about $250 each flight. But there is a way for the most dedicated fans to get their hands on this cutting-edge gear. An exclusive buyback option is available at the end of the 5-year term, and a small number of vehicles have been sold for $495,000. Beyond individual experiences, Lift aspires to set up shop in various places so that anybody may hire and enjoy the Hexa, bringing personal flight to a whole new level of accessibility.